Is your Ecovacs Deebot N10 Plus not quite living up to its cleaning potential? Leaving dust bunnies behind and struggling to get the job done? You're not alone. Many N10 Plus owners experience a decline in performance due to internal dirt buildup and worn-out side brushes. The side brushes are your Deebot's first line of defense against dust and debris. They sweep dirt towards the main brush, ensuring thorough cleaning along edges and in corners. However, over time, hair, fibers, and dust can get tangled around the brushes and even work their way into the robot's internal mechanisms. Ignoring this can lead to even bigger problems like decreased suction power, increased wear and tear on the motor, and even potential damage. RoboCare is here to help. Our expert technicians provide deep cleaning services and side brush replacements for your Ecovacs Deebot N10 Plus. We meticulously remove dust and debris from every nook and cranny, ensuring optimal airflow and suction. We replace the tired side brushes with brand new ones, restoring your Deebot's ability to effectively sweep dirt towards the main brush. We also clean or replace the filters, ensuring that your robot can breathe easy and maintain powerful suction. Finally, we reassemble your Deebot N10 Plus, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and functioning flawlessly. We perform rigorous tests to guarantee that your robot is back to its cleaning best. See the difference? After a RoboCare deep clean service, your Deebot will be back to its best, tackling dust and debris with ease, leaving your floors spotless. No more mist spots, no more frustration, just a sparkling clean home. Hear what our customers have to say about the RoboCare experience.
When I got my Deebot back, I couldn't believe the difference. It was so clean, and the new side brushes made a huge difference. It picked up everything, even the tiniest dust bunnies that it used to miss.
Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center or use our convenient courier option. We're here to make your robot vacuum happy and healthy.